If your YouTube channel is not growing and you feel like giving up after posting consistently, you might be making one of these 5 deadly mistakes that destroy small YouTube channels before they ever grow. And trust me, almost every new creator makes them. So in this video, I will show you the 5 biggest mistakes small YouTube channel makes, and how to fix them very fast. Let's get into it. Mistake number 1, posting without a clear niche. A lot of YouTubers post random content. Today it's football, tomorrow it's comedy, next tomorrow it's motivation. And YouTube gets confused. Your audience also gets confused because they don't know what your channel is really about. When people subscribe, they subscribe for a specific reason, okay? So if your content keeps changing too much, people stop watching, okay? So how do we fix this? Choose a clear niche. Ask yourself, what do I want to be known for? What kind of audience do I want to attract? What content can I consistently create? You don't need to be perfect immediately, but your content should have direction. Mistake number 2, bad thumbnails and titles. This mistake is killing many good videos. Your content may be amazing, but if nobody clicks, YouTube won't push it. The thumbnail and title are the first impression, okay? If they're looking boring, unclear, or too crowded, people scroll away. How do we fix this? Make thumbnails bold, clean, emotional, and also easy to read. And your titles should create curiosity. Instead of how to grow on YouTube, maybe you can say something like why small YouTubers never grow. See the difference? One creates emotion, the other sounds ordinary. Mistake number 3, inconsistent posting. Many small creators disappear for weeks or months, then suddenly come back expecting massive views. YouTube rewards consistency. You don't need to post every day, but you need a schedule, alright? Even one quality video every week is powerful if you stay consistent. Now, how do you fix this? Create a simple content calendar. Choose realistic upload days you can maintain, okay? Consistency builds trust with both your audience and the algorithm. Mistake number 4. Oh, most small YouTubers focus only on views, but YouTube cares more about how long people watch. If viewers click your video and leave after 20 seconds, YouTube just sees it as a weak content, alright? And how do you fix it? Make sure you hook your viewers immediately. Don't waste the first 30 seconds saying, hello guys, welcome back, this and that. Go straight into the value. Keep your videos engaging with fast pacing, good editing, storytelling, pattern changes, captions and visuals. Give viewers a reason to stay. This gives your viewers a reason to stay, okay? Mistake number 5, giving up too early. This is the biggest mistake of all. Most successful YouTubers were once small creators nobody noticed, okay? Many channels grow slowly at first. Sometimes your first 50 videos are just training. The creators who win are usually the ones who refuses to quit. So don't quit. So how do we fix this? Stop comparing your beginning to another person's success. Focus on improving one video at a time, one thumbnail at a time, one skill at a time. Growth on YouTube is a process. It's not just automatic. You need to build yourself. So if you avoid these 5 mistakes, your channel already has a better chance of growing than most small creators. So tell me in the comments, which of these mistakes have you been making? And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more YouTube growth tips. Thank you for watching, and we are here to help you grow your channel, helping you creators grow smartly. See you in the next video. Bye for now.